this is Cardinal Circuit with the Vitronics Soltec DeltaMax. Just a quick demonstration video. The machine is fully functional. We are just running the card through here. Unfortunately, we can't run the card the whole way to the machine, and we'll have quite a long video. Very well maintenance. Shot of the pot. See there's the conveyors running. All the preheat blowers are fully functional and blowing right now. Up here for a quick shot of the software. That screen's flickering, but it just does that in video. It's actually not occurring. The screen is actually crystal clear. And yep, shows the process where the board is in the machine there. Switches that are on. Cardinal Circuit, Vitronics Soltec DeltaMax. Thank you.